Did you eat chocolate? Yeah. Yeah, those are some yummy hands. Can Mama have a lick? Yeah, that's yummy. What'd you eat? Was that an Olive Garden mint? Yeah. Yeah, you're messy, huh? You love Mama? Yeah, Mama loves you. Can you say bye-bye? You want to get cleaned up first? Good girl. Wipe your face. And your hands. Good girl. Get your hands clean now. You're a smart little girl, aren't you? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Good.